My name is Eule. I'm a director of Stadler UK, which is a subsidiary of Stadler Anlagenbau GmbH, which was founded in 1791. It is still a family-run business, now in its fifth generation, and Stadler is dedicated to the planning, production, assembly of sorting systems and components for the waste disposal industry worldwide. We have 4 plants in the UK, of which 3 are solely dedicated for the PET and HDPE processing. We are continuously working with our main customers on improving the existing facilities or help with case studies for new facilities. So far we have managed to build over 20 plants worldwide. Now, will we be expanding further? Yes, is the answer. We've got very good intentions and exciting prospects as we have now joined partnership with Krones, which is a German manufacturer, and they are able to support our projects with plastic washing plants, and we are able to support their projects with the mechanical pre-treatment we currently do. So this joint venture should allow us to deliver complete sorting facilities from the front end to the PET washing and production of flakes. Some of the biggest challenges the company has had or is currently facing is obviously to do with the restrictions in mobility we have had to deal with as part of the coronavirus. As a consequence, a lot of businesses we found reviewing their projects, potentially delaying the projects, and that requires us to be flexible in order to carry out the work on the ground if and when the timescales allow. We have not had any impacts on the manufacturing at the head office and the other manufacturing facilities, so we have all the equipment ready and available to be installed. It is just now a question of working out how the projects can be delivered on the ground. We are in very close networks with our key suppliers, the ones we've worked with for many years, so we've got very good relationships and we understand where the changes are required, where the technical solutions are needed to be improved. We've got our own test center near our head office in Germany, where we are able to test certain material flows, where we can do closer analysis and invest the time required to fully understand the input composition of materials and also therefore what options we have got in processing and refining it. There are close liaisons with some of the leading European universities which have got their own departments in material processing, so we stay in touch with them to understand what challenges coming up from their side. Firstly, we are finishing off a very successful project at our Ipswich MRF, where we have been achieving over 98.5% purity on fibers. That's been going very well, and it's good to see that these grades are able to achieve. There is another exciting project we are dealing with in Sweden, where we are working on textile sorting. We have had very good exposure and experience now in the film sorting. Very interesting plant in Sofia, which was commissioned and is now operational. And we are also working on a PET washing test facility in Slovenia, near our production facility there, which is going to be very exciting. We can test material flows, we can work out what purities are achievable with certain products, so that is something to watch out for. And last but not least, we have a project coming up in the UK in the near future, which is dealing with paper sorting, where we are going to provide different grades and take out cardboards.